Corbin, what do you got there?
A package.
What's in the package?
Yellow seats. Yellow seats.
Will help Daddy open it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. Let's see what's in here. Try not to cut the. I won't cut my hand. Try not to cut the leather. Alright, hold on. Make sure everything's in here. Look. Look at that. Does it look like Bumblebee? Ooh, smell it. Smells good.
Let me smell it. I'm going to put your shoes on because I like to put your shoes.
Cool. All right, guys, so I'm going to put this right here. We're going to check everything. So there's the seat. That's what you sit on. All right, so we're off. All right, here's the backrest. And there's the black carpet they told me about. It's really nice. They gave me a phone call to let me know that this is going to have black carpet on me and asked if that was going to be okay. And I said, sure. Did you mess that up?
I'm making the setup. I'm making this. I'm making it set up. I'm making it set up. This is
Okay,
where we
there's the
put our
backrest.
pets.
Oh,
Where we put everything we do. This is where we go, go, go. Here, right here.
another back.
Hold there.
Okay, be careful, Sawyer. Oh, look at the stitching.
Oh, McDonald's.
Yellow stitching.
Can I have the back of it? The back of it.
There's the back.
Back of it? Yay! I'm making my sleep out.
There's the seats.
Yay!
Back.
Okay, there we go. That's how we're making our camp out.
There's the armrest thingamajigger.
Okay, can I get it? Okay, this is great.
Headrest. Ooh, look at the headrest.
Can I have your headrest? Oh, I need it.
Okay. Thank you. More
Another
headrests.
So thank you.
More headrests. Thank you.
Oh.
Tiny headrest. There's the front seat. That's the back for the back seat. There's the bottom of the seat, and there's the carpet again that they told me about. That I didn't know when I was ordering it was going to be on there, but I like
I
it.
need that.
Looks good. You knew that? All right, and there's the final front seat.
Yay! Can I
This is
have
where the hog rings go. You can have that.
Where
And now we got an empty box. What do you think, guys?
we made our camp out.
You're not going to be camping in that, I promise.
No?
All right.